In this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use RapidFire. RapidFire is our batch entry tool, so if you've got a large number of sales invoices or purchase invoices that you'd like to upload to your accounting software quickly, then this is a desktop tool, so you don't need access to the internet to do this, and it's a way of uploading them very quickly. So all we need to do is you will receive an email through from HM Williams if you're interested in setting this up, and the link will look like this. So all you need to do is just click on that link. It'll basically just open up a wizard. So you save the file, and then once you've saved the file you can go and run that, and basically this will just take you through to a wizard to install the desktop application. Once you've gone and done that, it will install an icon on your desktop just here. So all we do is we click into that icon and it's just going to launch the application. You'll be given a username and a password from HM Williams, so all you need to do is key that into here. And hit login. So this is now logging in to our batch entry tool. So once we've logged in, this is what it looks like. So you'll be able to see your company name in the top left hand side. And what it's done, it's brought through the list of customers that we set up earlier, so it'll bring through all of your customers through here. This screen allows us to create a single invoice. So it brings through our sales type, so our sale of goods, and then we can go and add a quantity line in here. We can put a description, and then we can put a price in there, and our VAT. And we can just add all our information in there. We can put our due dates, etc. It's brought through the 7 days that we have actually added into our bookkeeping account, and then I can save that. And that invoice has now been saved successfully. If we got a large number of invoices for multiple clients, then I can come into the batch invoice screen at the bottom, and then here I can choose the customer from this list. So I've got my 2 customers in here. So I'm going to create one for customer 1 and one for customer 2. I can put in a purchase order reference number. We can go and change the dates in here as well. So we can choose the date of the invoice. The code, so we've got our sales of goods code where we apply all our sales to. And again, we can just change the description in here. And we can go pop the amounts in here as well. And our VAT. Just go up here. And then we can just go in. Again, we can just repeat this process. So it's really easy to go and add these in quickly. And then once I'm happy that I've gone and put all my invoices into the system, I can just go and click save, and that batch invoice is now saved. We can do exactly the same. So now if we've got purchases and we've got a large number of receipts, we can now switch over to batch receipts, and this will bring through our suppliers directly from our bookkeeping account. And then I can go put a reference in there, and again we can just go change the date of the transaction. We can go choose exactly what we bought. So let's say it was advertising in here. Put in a description, an amount, VAT, and save. And that's been saved. So it's just a case of sitting there with your pile of invoices and purchases and going and keying them into here. Now once you're happy that everything's on the system, all we do is just click on the review option at the bottom, and we will see the invoice that we set up. So I'll put a single invoice in there. We put a batch of invoices in there, so we just need to tick these boxes, and also we got that one purchase invoice I popped in. So we just tick the 3 boxes in there, and then all we do is just press submit. And you're about to upload the pending invoice receipts to the KashFlow server. Do you want to continue? Yes. That's now going to upload those into the system. They've been uploaded successfully, so just click OK, and that's going to generate a report to tell us exactly what we've imported into the system. So the report has been generated, and it shows us here exactly what we've just been uploaded into our bookkeeping account. It also shows us down the bottom our reports, so we can go into those and view all previous reports. So once I'm happy that I've done all that, I can just close that down, and then all we do is just log back in. So we're going to go back in to hmwilliams.co.uk, go to our login, our bookkeeping login, put in your user credentials again, and then we'll now see, if I go to the invoice screen on the left hand side, we can see all those invoices that we just created in RapidFire have been uploaded directly to our bookkeeping account. And if we go to purchases, we can see the purchase invoice we just created. So as you can see, using RapidFire is a quick and easy way of getting sales and purchase invoices onto your bookkeeping system.